World Solar Challenge is a competition that's run by Bridgestone. It's run every second year. So this is Deakin University's first year entering the competition. I think it's just a chance for Deakin to show off their capabilities of being able to produce a working solar car and just show off some of the technologies and skills that some of the students can have throughout the university.
Geelong's had a great history of manufacturing vehicles in the past with Ford. So for us, this is that next evolution. We've got great companies on campus that build automotive components. So we're just taking it to the next level. We're just going to say, let's build a car, and we've got some great collaborative partners who are going to help us in this journey. It's about creating a cleaner, greener future. The hot rod future will still be there, and what we love about cars will still be there. It'll just be slightly different. Not often do we design, build and race a car through some of the harshest conditions globally. We're going to race through Central Australia where temperatures can be up to 40 degrees, brutal desert, sand, wind, road trains. Acciona Australia really wanted to do this, and we're fortunate enough they chose Deakin.
Acciona Energy is a 100% renewable energy IPP, so we're IPP being independent power producer. So we build, own and operate renewable energy projects, so commercialised renewable energy projects, so mostly wind and solar all over the world.
Acciona is quite innovative, and we need to have innovative partners, and it's just not good enough to be wind and solar. We need to be about sustainability. So if we can partner with someone like Deakin University, we can drive the next evolution or the revolution in the renewable.
We see it as a win-win opportunity to be really involved at the grassroots with the university, and Acciona has always had a really large commitment to being engaged with universities in research and development, because we feel it reaps rewards tenfold in those opportunities.
The World Solar Challenge is really important for us because it's that nice, lovely merge of innovation, getting students involved, but also it's around showing people that you can do these things. It's actually ground truth. That, for example, in the Solar Challenge, that these cars aren't spaceships. These are cars that can be driven on the road, that this is the future.
So we are building the car to be competitive. We are building a car with style and class. We want to showcase what we're good at. But yeah, let's try and do it in the fastest possible time. This is an adventure, and I talk about this as a journey or adventure. It is. We're starting from nothing. 6 months ago, we didn't have a World Solar Car Challenge. Today, we've got over 200 students involved. We've got an exciting couple of years ahead of us, and we're just getting started.